Local SEO best practices. Know the steps to optimize your site for local searches. The frequency of searches for near me or closest has increased by 900% over the past 2 years, and 28% of these searches end with a purchase. Users want more personalized search results based on their location. This is the reason more and more people are turning to local SEO. In fact, even if you want to target leads internationally, the search engine optimization begins with the local SEO practices, as doing so makes the business legit. Today, we'll talk about local SEO's best practices that you can use to boost your position in search engines. If you are new to this channel, we regularly post tips about growing your business, attracting fully automatically your ideal clients to create a constant cash flow using our formula we call confident cash flow. If you are interested in content like that, subscribe to this channel and hit on that bell. Local SEO's best practices. Optimization of title and description. Before turning on the sarcasm and thanking the obvious advice, take a good look at how title and descriptions are styled on your site. Are they spelled out on all your pages? Is a description longer than 160 to 200 characters? Is a location where you are interested in promoting your business indicated everywhere? Are the main keywords used in the text content? If not, we recommend that you consider the following guidelines when writing the title and description meta text. The description should be between 50 and 200 characters on average. The title should be between 10 and 70 characters on average. The title and description of the page should contain a mention of the territorial zone that your business services, district, city, region, country, etc. Use keywords in title and description, but don't overload your text with them. Indication of all contact and geographical data on the site. To get your site to rank higher in local search results, add the physical address of your store or warehouse so that search robots can index this information. Another effective local SEO optimization technique is placing a phone number with a regional code. Integration with Google Maps and Google My Business. Creating and verifying business profiles in Google My Business is a prerequisite for attracting local users and growing positions in local search results. Along with the verification checkbox, you get 25% of the ranking factors. Optimization for mobile devices. It's a fact that the majority of local search queries are made by mobile users, which means that you should optimize your site for display on mobile devices. You have several ways to solve this problem. Creation of a mobile version website. Implementation of respective layouts. Creating mobile versions of pages using fast mobile formats, AMP for example. Link with social networks. Every year, social signals are gaining more and more importance, in particular for ranking in local search. Therefore, it is essential to remember about linking the sites with pages on social networks using social interaction buttons like and share, as well as embedding social media widgets on the site. They do not directly affect your site's organic search rankings, but the interactions they provide can help with additional reach and increase your site's visibility. Implementing simple and straightforward call to actions. When all the main stages of search engine optimizations are left behind, it is very easy to forget about trifles, such as clear and understandable call to action. Buttons responsible for targeting actions should contain a direct call. Leave no room for speculation on the part of users who want to buy a product, order a service, or fill out an application. Adding customers' feedback and reviews. In search of solutions to their problems, users not only compare the descriptions of products and services prescribed by companies, but also refer to the reviews of other users. Hence, allocate a separate section on your site for customers' feedback if you have a site in the landing page format, or create a page that will collect reviews of real customers. Creation of content according to local requests. Content plays a key role in local promotion, so be aware of the specifics of the local areas as you work on site content, regular posts, and helpful references materials for local users, potential customers. Also, consider the usability of content from the user's point of view. Registration in local directories and services. When starting to promote your local businesses, register it in all possible catalogs, city directories, official city directories, and private city guides. Thematic portals, for example, shopping or gastronomy, and services both locally and globally, including Yelp, Yellow Pages, Foursquare, etc. Firstly, this way you will have more points of contact with the audience, and secondly, such sites will serve as a source of mentions and backlinks. Make sure to use the same address format from one directory to another so search engines learn and get your address confirmed. Publications in local media. Relevant backlinks, increased visibility, site clicks, increased brand searches are just a few of the perks of successful local media posts. So now, if you wish to post a publication for free, your job is not to send another faceless press release to the editorial office of a local magazine, but to create a real resonant news story that local media themselves will want to cover. Doing this will help you in 3 ways. Firstly, your chances of getting the post published on the desired site will be higher. Secondly, such a post can become vital and result in significant increase in brand awareness. And thirdly, by arousing public interest in your business, you would generate a wave of brand inquiries which will not be ignored by search engines. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at what is local listings in SEO and what are its advantages for businesses. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more videos like this, please subscribe and don't forget to like, share, comment, or post your questions. We answer them in the next Q&A video.